Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm using these colors for my granny square. First, I am starting with this maroon color. My hook size is number 4 and this size is 2.5 millimeters. Okay, we will start with magic knot like this. This one is also a magic knot in crochet. Okay, start with 2 chain, 1 2, then we need to 11 double crochets into the space, this space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Pull the yarn, connect the round with slip stitch. Okay, cut the yarn. Make a knot. Okay, done. Then for the second round I'm using this orange color. Start here, pull the yarn, knot. Okay, start with chain 2, 1 2, okay, another double crochet into the same space, this space, 1, okay, then 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches, this space, 1 and 2, then 1 2, okay, then chain 2, again 2 double crochet into next stitch, 2 double crochet into next stitch, 2 double crochet into next stitch. Okay, again chain 2, 2 double crochet into next stitch, next 2 double crochet, again 2 double crochet, again chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1 2, next 1 2, finally for this space 1 and 2. Okay, chain 2, connect the round with slip stitch. Okay, done. Cut the yarn. Okay, then next round, this color I'm using for next round. Start here, pull the yarn, make a knot, okay, start with chain 2, 1 2, 1 double crochet into next every stitches, 1 2 3 4, 1 double crochet into this space, 1, then chain 3, this time chain 3, 1 2 3, again 1 double crochet into the same space. Okay, then 1 double crochet each every stitches, these stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, again 1 double crochet this space, for this space, and chain 3, 1 2 3, again 1 double crochet, next 1 double crochet, next 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, one double crochet, again 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, this part also, every stitch, 6, then again 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, 1 double crochet, Okay, then we need to 6 double crochets for one side. We count this one: 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this one has 1 2 3 4 5, only 5. Then we need to make a 1 double crochet for complete the side. Then we can do it for this space. Okay. Then connect the round. Okay. Cut the yarn. Make a simple knot. Okay, done. This is my last color for the last round. Okay, I am starting here. Pull the yarn, make a simple knot like this. Okay, start with chain 2. One double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet, again one double crochet this space. This time we need to 4 chains, 4 single crochets. 1 2 3 4. Again 1 double crochet, one double crochets into next every stitches, every stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This time 8 double crochet we need to crochet. One double crochet to the space and chain 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 double crochet, one double crochet, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8. One double crochet to the space, 4 chains, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final space. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 double crochet. Okay. This side also need 8 double crochets. Skip this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 3 more double crochets for this side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Done. Connect the round. Final round. Okay. Cut the yarn. Make a simple knot. Okay, this is the final granny square. Ta-da!